If the plywood cracks due to the nail, just drive it initially into the steel dowel and then drive it in. We'll make such a recess in the plastic pipe, then add several holes, fix them under the table with their help, and get a convenient dispenser for the plastic bags. And yet a screwdriver is simply an indispensable thing for repairs and other works. Look at this unusual drill that I got. It's ideal for preparing screw holes. That's the technology. It's easier to make a thread for screwing on a plastic pipe. It's very comfortable. From the old insulation for wires attached to the surface with a stapler, a very convenient attachment for the cable is obtained. Now let's hammer the blade of a stationary knife into a wooden block and get a device for creating an adhesive tape of the required thickness. The washers do not fit well under nails, unlike steel caps. If you can't reach one chain to another, make a tool like this. Take a hollow steel beam, make 2 extended holes in it on both sides. We screw the bolts into these holes and fix them with nuts. Then we make a piston from a long bolt and attach the ends of the chains to the bolts in the holes. Using the key, we begin to pull them together. That's all. We'll install wooden plugs in the holes in the board. Then, with the help of such a device for even holes, we'll make holes in another board. See for yourself, they fit perfectly. You can create recesses of any depth on the machine and even cut it at an angle. Let's take a wooden rectangle and use it to make a plastic rectangle of the same size. We'll make a small window in it. Now we'll lay out 4 identical wooden walls on the masking tape and cover them well with glue. We begin to combine the design and insert the back wall and window in the process. We have an interesting puzzle. We need to put 6 wooden cubes inside the box. But as you can see, it's not that easy. For successful completion, you need to know the trick here. Look. Everything turned out fine. Let's disassemble the stationary knife, take out the blade and make a small notch in the upper part of the case. Put it back together, and with this notch it's very, very convenient to clean the wires from the insulation. Now I'll show you how to connect the wires correctly. We just cut off the length we need with wire cutters. After that, we bare them, combine them, and holding them with pliers, we begin to wind the wires on each other in this way. Now the contact will not be broken for sure. Using a ruler, we'll make a hole exactly in the center of the wooden square. Now using glue, we'll attach 2 small sides to it. With this design, it's very convenient to make holes at the same distance from the corners. Now the best way to combine the skirting boards in the corner boards. Let's take a small segment and use it to mark the place of the cut on the long skirting board. We don't cut it to the end, and we carefully round off the upper part. Now it's convenient to combine it with a small segment. Now see, it's perfect. And now we'll prepare 2 sticks, which we install in the recesses in the machine and cover them with glue. We attach a board to them, and then we install such an angular structure on the board with glue that it allows you to cut a triangular shape from a bar. We got something like a butterfly. Now we need to layer the figure into several plates as well, using a machine. It turned out as many as 4 pieces, and in order to prevent the holders for the machine from rolling from side to side, let's attach a wooden stop with screws from one of the ends, and we wrap the handle with a duct tape for better fixation. You can work!